We are so excited to have the Georgia Aquarium Cobb County School District Shark Week this week. And today we're here with Aaron. Aaron, can you please introduce yourself and tell us what is your role at the Georgia Aquarium?
Hey guys, my name is Aaron and I work with the education department here at Georgia Aquarium. So basically my job is to teach you guys about all the different animals and things we have going on here at Georgia Aquarium. I help facilitate field trips, I help give guided tours to some of the classes that have booked the program, and generally I'm just teaching you guys about animals.
There are so many sharks here. What are some of the species that live in the Georgia Aquarium?
So here at Georgia Aquarium we actually have 13 different shark species. In this habitat right behind me we have our tiger sharks, great hammerheads, silver-tip sharks, and sand tiger sharks. Meanwhile, in Ocean Voyager, our largest habitat, we have the biggest sharks here at Georgia Aquarium being our whale sharks. We also have a few predatory species in there, such as our blacktip reef sharks, our silky sharks, and our sandbar sharks. We also have two different types of wobbegong, the tasseled wobbegong shark and the spotted wobbegong shark. We even have some zebra sharks living in that habitat as well. Now in our Cold Water Quest gallery, we also have a couple of swell sharks living in our kelp forest habitat. And then finally, up in our aqua lab, we have a really small shark species called an epaulet shark.
Do all the shark species live in the same habitat out in the wild?
Not quite. So a lot of our sharks that we have here are warm water, tropical water species, but they do live in different oceans. So for example, the sharks all behind me right now, like our lovely sand tiger right over here, those guys are an Atlantic Ocean species, including all the other sharks that we have in this habitat. In our Ocean Voyager habitat, those guys are all Pacific Ocean species. And then finally, our swell shark, that's in Cold Water Quest, is going to be hugging the coast of Monterey Bay, California. And our epaulet shark that I mentioned earlier likes to live off the coast of Australia.
What kind of waters can they live in?
Most sharks are going to be a saltwater variety. That's true for the vast majority of sharks. There are a couple of freshwater species, but those are extremely rare and typically only found in Indonesia.
How is the aquarium similar to the actual environments of the sharks?
So we do our best to make sure these habitats are as similar as possible to their native oceanic habitats. We do things like checking to make sure the temperatures are in the right range. We try to make sure there's the right amount of ocean salt in all of these habitats. We try to make sure there's no nasty chemicals in this water as well that can impact our sharks. And we do daily cleanings as well to make sure none of the gunk's staying in those habitats as well. So we pretty much do the best that we can to make sure these habitats are as similar as possible to their native environments. And if you're curious in learning a little bit more about some of their ocean habitats, be sure to check out our program, An Ocean in Motion.